Hey everyone, Apple just dropped the iPhone 17, and if you've got one in your hands, the first thing you need is a case. So today, we're diving into the best cases for the iPhone 17, and trust me, one of these might just save your phone from its next big drop. And before we get started, smash that like button if you want to keep your iPhone looking brand new for years to come. Buying a case isn't just about protection anymore, it's about lifestyle. Do you want something slim and stylish? Or maybe a military grade shield that can take a beating? Over the next few minutes, we'll walk through each case, highlight its strengths, and figure out which one deserves a spot in your pocket. Stick with me until the end because the bonus pick might just surprise you. Let's start with simplicity done right. Elago's magnetic silicone case, priced at just 13.99, isn't a cookie cutter shell, it's tailor made for the iPhone 17. Then 55 magnets give it a snap-on grip for MagSafe chargers and wallets. It feels soft, almost satin-like, and the suede interior protects your phone's finish. It's slim, it's grippy, and it comes in colors like alpine green and aqua sky. At this price, it feels premium without breaking the bank. Now, if you binge watch Netflix or FaceTime for hours, this ESR case with stand for 24.99 is your new best friend. The adjustable stash stand hides near the camera and can tilt up to 85 degrees. The magnets here are super strong, locking accessories in place without slipping. Plus, military grade drop protection keeps your phone safe from daily chaos. The review: people love how the kickstand works in both portrait and landscape. But if you thought this stand was cool, wait till you see what TORRAS built into theirs. Here's the case for adventurers. UAG's Essential Armor, starting at 44.95, is slim but drop tested up to 15 feet. The contoured grip and anti-slip edges keep it secure in your hand even if you're hiking or rushing to class. It's MagSafe compatible, built tough, and comes in sleek colors like cloud blue, olive orange, and ash. This one screams durability without looking bulky. Don't underestimate this budget beast. The Red2Fire Magnetic case, just 8.99, offers military-grade drop protection with 360-dot airbags, matte finish, and raised edges for the camera and screen. It's slim, shockproof, and MagSafe ready. Users even prefer its button design over OtterBox. Sure, it may not save your phone from a 30-foot drop onto concrete, but for everyday life, it's a steal. Seriously, that's cheaper than two lattes at Starbucks, and it lasts way longer. Here's where innovation shines. TORRAS Ostand magnetic case at 29.69 is the world's first integrated magnetic stand. It uses aerospace-grade aluminum that survives over 30 zero fords. Portrait, landscape, no wobble, no bulk. It's slim, MagSafe ready, and comes with X-Shock airbags for 12-foot drop protection. Reviews call it stylish, protective, and a game changer for hands-free living. But if you want OtterBox level toughness at half the price, the next case is calling your name. Think of the Qizaixi shockproof rugged case at 14.99 as the outdoor bodyguard for your iPhone 17. It's got 3-layer protection, dust-blocking seals, raised bezels, and anti-slip stripes. Drop tested for up to 15 feet, it's practically a budget OtterBox at half the cost. Ideal for hiking, construction work, or just anyone who tends to drop their phone a lot. Now we level up to the Dexnor rugged magnetic case at 31.99. This heavy-duty case packs MagSafe compatibility, a built-in stand, and even a sliding magnetic camera cover for instant privacy. Drop tested to military standards, it's tough enough for the outdoors yet practical for daily use. Plus, you get two front frame options, one with a built-in screen protector and one for your own. Reviewers love the sturdy kickstand and smooth camera slide. So, there you have it, the 7 best cases for iPhone 17, each tailored to a different lifestyle. Whether you want slim and sleek like Elago, rugged armor like Dexnor, or futuristic function like TORRAS, there's a perfect match for you. But remember, Cases aren't just about protecting your phone, they're about protecting your way of life. And here's the bonus pick, the HiWe MagSafe Wallet, priced at $17.99. If you're tired of carrying a bulky wallet, this magnetic wallet snaps on with 3x stronger magnets and holds up to 7 cards. Plus, it blocks RFID signals, keeping your identity safe. It's slim, stylish, and a clever add-on to any of these cases. So, which one fits your lifestyle? The rugged adventurer, the binge watcher, the minimalist? Drop your pick in the comments below. I'd love to know. And if this video helped you find the perfect iPhone 17 case, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for daily tech updates, and share this with a friend who just upgraded to the iPhone 17. See you in the next video. Goodbye.